Suleiman Fatau will lead the dignitaries to.
That is exactly the Premier League clubs. That shows that.
Center referee, assisted by. And we are underway at the TnA Stadium. Is the inauguration match between Medeama Sporting Club and Kumasi. Right hand side, being supported by Emmanuel Enchi. Can he create space for himself? He's being policed by Fatau. He knockbacks him into the box. The ball, but it's been cleared away. Kotoko with the ball, and that's a lovely pass from deep from Intimenu. The cross across the face of goal. That was nearly deflecting into the post of Medeama. And that's a lovely ball into space for Fatau. Suleimana. That's a lovely ball again to find Nana Kofi Babel, but just display that so well. Referee says play should continue. It's Asante Bernardino, just the friend of the challenge to hit that. Asante Bernardino also there. Diarisi Taylor, punch it out, goal! That is the opener here. Oh no! No! The flag is up. Just look at that. That was a good hit. Initially, the ball pied away. Was he offside?
Actually, before the ball was kicked, this player wasn't offside. He just moved it.
New talking point in this competitive, friendly game here. Good job done from Amiduakwa. The hit onto the side net after they had a goal disallowed just moments ago. But that was a good ball into space from Peter Amiduakwa.
That was a very good ball.
But just look at that. That was a good hit. Initially, the ball pied away. Was he offside?
Actually, before the ball was kicked, this player wasn't offside. He just moved it.
Caught Frederick Asari by surprise over there. It was watching. It was brought down. The referee played the advantage. And just look at that. Frederick Asari rooted. Firmly rooted to a spot, just couldn't move. That was a sumptuous ball. Still remains goalless, and it's the host with a corner kick. In swinging, the header again. Yes, it's a goal. Medeama Sporting Club grab the opening goal here at the TnA Stadium, and the crowd is going wild. Kofi Babel with the last and most important touch, and that will give me Kotoko nil.
A super goal. What a way to, open
up. That's a long one to find Albert, who knocks it down. It's Emmanuel Kotoko, and he goes through though. He doesn't. That's Albert Amua. What's the call? Referee says play.
Don't have that weight, that spirit to wait. They are expecting their team to win the league.
And the ball has been lost in the dangerous area. What can he do? Can he score? No! Timely intervention from in area. Kamaradini Mamudu. Oh, what about that for a pass from Nana Kofi Babel? It did well to go past the team. It was Emmanuel Enchi whose timely intervention stopped Medeama from doubling their lead.
Being at the right place at the right time. That saves Kotoko from conceding the second goal.
Del Suleimana into space. Nana Kofi Babel. And the charge is on. The charge is on. Lovely ball. Referee points to the spot. And it's a penalty to the Pinks here at the TnA Stadium. And it's a Beneza Akabi.
More penalties here in the season ahead.
We are seeing the real Medeama fans. See Taylor. On the post. He misses from 12 yards. But that, you'd be thinking was going in.
Sure.
That couldn't go. Emmanuel Enchi will win that ball. Baba Yaya from distance. Again, the second time at all.
He may be lucky the other time to come. If he continues this way, who knows? The third or fourth time, something better can happen from football.
Anything you want to see, but that's a misplaced pass. And the pass again. Oh, a lovely ball. What's the referee saying? No, you can see another misplaced pass. Not what Entry had wanted. But again, that ball from Nana Kofi Babel. And I think if you're a fan, you can also enjoy the game from that side.
Sure.
You know, it's also a display screen, not just a scoreboard. But there's a push over there. Oh, every stage play should continue, but that's so unfortunate. Penalty. You can see hands going up. Albert Amo again, trying to cause trouble. Tried all he could. Nations already in the first half. We lead by a goal to 0 over here. And that is the end of the first 45 minutes here at the inauguration match between host Medeama Sporting Club and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Is the commissioning of the 10,400 seater capacity stadium here in the heart of the Takwa Township. And what an evening we've witnessed here in this spectacular game. Nothing friendly written about it. It's been end-to-end action from the blast of the whistle. What's your take for the first half?
I would say, how do I even describe it? Wasn't as expected. The Kotoko fans are saying they are going to come back into this game. Let's see how the drama unfolds. But hey, we Medeama, we are winning this night.
So that's it. Osa Bernardino, Tete. Great strength showing, and Jack Basu hit that one at the first time of asking. It's getting a bit aggressive and physical here, but Adamo still on his feet. Straight into the waiting arms of Apiakubi. He put time, but he did so well to react to the rebound.
Great control, great move, poor finishing. The end product wasn't as
the front line for Kotoko. Just look at that, going through Emmanuel Kujo. You could see Jack Basu and down here. Albert Amoa is one-on-one with Enu. Tries to hold up play a bit. Emmanuel Entry will send one inside for someone. The shot, but blocked. Kotoko will power the pressure. Again, it's someone, and that's the goal! That is the equalizer from the substitute! It's Bernard Samoa with Barry, his first touch ends up at the back of the net for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What again we are witnessing here at the TnA Park Stadium, and that is the tactical tweak from the tactician, Dr. Prosper Uko.
spot on substitution from the man Prosper Nateugu, who some people call the Ghana Pep Guardiola. That substitution so far is the man. What a time
on the pitch for 2 minutes,
sure.
Bernard Samoa, and that is instant impact. But then again, it's Medeama racing through, but referee says that was Iswacheman also after winning the 2023-24 TnA Cup are also in action, or will be in action. But there Kotoko comes, it's Emmanuel Entry from the right hand side, the whip across the fence, let's go! Let's go on! Oh, what a miss! Failing to find the back of the net with that hit, but all the hard work done by Entry, and that's how dangerous he can be on the attack. Entry. It's beginning to get more exciting end-to-end by another 40 pass, and it's Bernard Samoa to Entry, who lays one on to Albert Amu, and a shot from distance, he finds it away! Save! Medeama in the game.
That's a great save, but what a move from Asante Kotoko, and once again the energy level of the Medeama defense has been called to question. This is what I was
being brought down. Fojo into space. Ball again will return to Godfred Up on the header. But Medeama again, not to sit.
Not to control.
And that was Aban from the left-hand side. That was a lovely cross.
They expected him to shoot from
But
that
then again,
angle.
you'll be expecting a straight shot football. The long switch from Manuel Mante. Fojo won't be able to hold that back. He regains possession. Derek Fojo. Lovely turn. Trying to find space, but Lord Amoa will be the cook for Medeama. It's a long one in from Bavison, who makes the connection. The header! And that's the goal! That is the goal! And the TnA Medeama United, Medeama Sporting Club, with an all-important goal towards the tail end of the game. Just they step up, and it's a goal.
They came, they saw, they
being very stern.
Frederick Asare is in.
And the header, Justice Bewu attack the one, the header goal! And Asare also misses that one. The stadium here in Takwa. And it's a competitive, friendly game for inauguration. Yes! That's a full-time whistle at the TnA Stadium in Takwa. Is the host of this edifice with a last laugh in this cagey, heated 90-minute game of football.
Sure.
The squad took the lead through Nana Kofi Babel. It was substitute Bernard Samoa that drew the Porcupines level. And we saw a good goal towards the end of the game. And if you are looking for a way to inaugurate your stadium, they couldn't have come better than with a victory.
Especially when Famia and Samini is also at the backstage waiting to launch their talents deep into the night. You will want to commission your stadium this way. But you see, the story of this stadium cannot be said here without a mention of two great men. Mr. Alfred Bakun, the former executive vice president of Goldfish West Africa, and the member of parliament for Takwin Swayem, whose dexterity, whose tenacity, whose can-do spirit contributed to this. And if I see Takwa very elated this night, I give all the thanks to the member of parliament for Takwin Swayem, who has seen to it that Medeama continues to stay alive.
It's already been a great day in the town of Takwa, but trust me, the remaining night will be celebrated with some ecstatic scenes here. The players will move straight to the fans and show some love to them. It's going to be a long season, but that's what football in Takwa means to the people of Takwa. It's been a full house, packed to its brim.
Three communities in Western region.
As the inauguration match